So how do we actually connect our TV to Wi-Fi without a remote? So I was able to find a really interesting solution right here. So if you have something that, for example, it can be like just one of those controllers here that is wired. It doesn't even have to be a new one. It can be like an old one as well. And if it has a wire like this one here, as you can see, you can just plug the other end of the wire into your TV where there is an HDMI port. So you can see for me it's right here. And that's the blue cable here, that's where I was able to connect it. Because look, what will happen is that it's gonna recognize your controller as the remote. So you can see here, it's actually recognizing it as a remote. So I'm just gonna click on OK here, and then click on all settings. And then I can just scroll down and click on network and internet here, as you can see. And on my controller here, I'm just gonna click on yes. And then I'm just gonna open up the Wi-Fi here and click on yes here once again, of course. And you can see I'm now connected to Wi-Fi here just by using this controller alone, which is incredible, to be honest. So yeah, you can see it says connected using Wi-Fi here. So if you have a controller or something that can maybe mimic a controller as well, just connect it to your TV via if you have a wire, basically, and it will work exactly like a remote. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, basically that is exactly how to connect to it, to Wi-Fi here on your TV without a remote.